Hi, I'm Chris Dorsey, President of Higher Education and Leadership Ministries for the Christian Church Disciples of Christ. We are living in unprecedented and unpredictable times, with each day bringing more uncertainty than the last. The rapid spread of the COVID-19 coronavirus has interrupted life as we know it. In my line of work, higher education, schools all over the country are closing their doors and having to shift education to online or some other form of distance learning. School districts are closing down in major cities all over the country, with school children in elementary grades and secondary grades having to stay home. The travel industry is slowing to a crawl. The sports and entertainment industry has virtually come to a complete stop. What this means is that life as we know it is not going on as normal. This also means that millions and millions of Americans and billions of people all over the world are having to change their lives. Many of them are no longer able to work, causing a loss of income to their family and their households. This is going to be a difficult time for us in the next few weeks and the next few months. But I believe that we can all get through this together. It's important that we pay close attention to what local, state, and national experts have to say about the virus and how to prevent its spread. All of us must do our part. We must be sensible. As a person of faith, I strongly believe that my faith encourages me to have hope and that all will be well. At the same time, being sensible means listening to scientists, biologists, and epidemiologists about the spread of the virus and how to prevent its spread. It also means that we have to be careful. Even if we're healthy, we can possibly spread the disease to others, and those of us who are really healthy may be able to endure the disease, but that doesn't mean that those who are the most vulnerable will have the same experience. So we must be cautious, practice good health hygiene, also practice social distancing in order to protect those who are the most vulnerable among us. Lastly, we must be supportive. We must figure out a way to support each other through this. I strongly believe, as Martin Luther King Jr. used to say, that we are in an interconnected web of mutuality, that what affects one affects all. That's certainly true in these days and times. It's important for us to be there for one another, to figure out a way to get through this together. Even the practices of social distancing are a form of being there for one another. It means we care about enough about each other to stay a healthy distance away from each other to keep us safe. The times that we live in are uncertain. We don't know what the next few days, the next few months will bring for us. But I do believe that we can all get through this together. It's going to take being sensible, being careful, and being supportive of one another. And I do believe that all will be well. Thank you, have a blessed day, and look out for each other.